it's been an amazing experience. We've had to firsthand witness some of the most advanced tech projects that are sustainability and efficiency oriented. In the first country that we visited, that was Singapore, we saw very incredible initiatives that not only improve air quality but also conserve energy. The city's smart control systems, especially in public transport, really showcase the efficiency and the use of clean energy to reduce carbon footprint. These are obviously projects that we're looking forward to emulate and even implement in our future projects in our countries.
So the infrastructure in Singapore is really nice. I'd say the government has really sat down and done proper planning. That takes me to what I've learned, I guess, from Singapore experience. I feel like something the government of Kenya could employ, maybe social engineering, and also doing a bit of urban planning.
My experience in Singapore has been absolutely sensational. I've been amazed by the transport systems and the sustainability of their economies and how much the government is very much a part of the success and growth of a country. In Malaysia, I've been very impressed by Sunway University. I got to learn about the Washington Accord and how that impacts our lives as engineering students in our career journey. And I can only thank the university for giving us such an opportunity to come and see and open our minds and have a different perspective of how other economies and other countries work.
We have managed to see what the engineering students are doing, how their labs look like. They look really nice, and the projects that various students in Sunway University are really doing. So the project I liked most was the one for generating energy from stepping. It was a really captivating project.